questions like just to give you an example, questions like what do women desire the most, what do women lust for, why don't women communicate what is it that they desire, or why are women so afraid of sharing their deepest darkest fantasies with their partners, and so on. So hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Storytime with Malika. So we are doing a series जहाँ पे we had reached out to men और हमने उन्हें बोला था कि अगर if there are any questions that they would like to ask women without feeling judged, तो what would it be जो they would want to know. So a lot of questions जो men had about women and their sexual needs, sexual desires, and in general, their sexual well-being. And I just wanted to sum it up, all of it together in this video to give you an insight on ऐसा क्यों होता है. So there are multiple factors जिसकी वजह से औरतें openly अपने sexual needs, डिज़ायर्स के बारे में ओपनली डिस्कस नहीं करती है. टू बिगर ब्रांचेस में अगर आप उनको डिवाइड करें तो वन इज़ कि औरतें नहीं ही करना चाहती, दे जस्ट डोंट वांट टू कम्युनिकेट विथ यू. सेकंड इज़ दे जस्ट डोंट नो हाउ टू. Either of the scenarios in your partner could be because of multiple factors. Let's break it down. First and foremost is the social conditioning. We are socially conditioned in a way to think that we are not allowed to feel sexy. We are not allowed to feel aroused or have any desires or have any needs or have any or lust for things. हम ऐसे socially conditioned हुए हैं कि as a female you are not allowed. You are desirable but you can never desire. So that's the first and foremost crux of it, जिसकी वजह से औरतों के लिए बहुत difficult हो जाता है to talk about it, because उनको ये हमेशा बोला गया है कि ये तुम्हारे लिए नहीं है, ये तुम्हारे लिए allowed ही नहीं है. So like I said, first it's the social conditioning. So women just don't know how to communicate because they have never been told that it is okay to communicate. Second is past experiences. Past experiences, when I say कि there might be a situation जहाँ पे आपने past में आपने ये चीज़ को communicate किया होगा. It could be your partner, it could be your friends, or it could be somebody in the family, which would have resulted in a lot of shame, a lot of guilt. Sex shame, sex guilt is a very big thing when it comes to females in general. उन्हें guilt feel करवाया जाता है, उन्हें shame feel करवाया जाता है. So उन्हें you will have things like तुम ऐसे कैसे सोच सकती हो, अच्छे घर की लड़कियाँ ऐसे नहीं सोचती है. So you have these things, very heavy things that are being told to you. So that can lead to you not wanting to talk about it. Another thing in terms of your past experiences would be that, say past में you would have been with your partner and the fact that आपको पता है कि how things go about when it comes to sex, या आपको आपकी needs पता है and you are very vocal about it and आप बोल रहे हो this is what I like, this is what I don't like, or something like that. Or after you've had sex with your partner and you hear sentences like oh my god तुझे ये कैसे पता, तुझे तो बहुत पता है, I mean तेरा बड़ा experience लग रहा है, and things like that. So इतनी औरतों ने ऐसी sentences सुने होते हैं, because of that you reach at a point where you feel like in that moment जब ये sentence आपको बोला जाता है, you feel, like I said again, shame, guilt, judgment. On top of that, you feel like your character is being assassined left, right, center. Just the fact कि आपको common biology पता है, आपको you are just well informed about how sex works, or just having a good aptitude, it's not always experience or whatever, but just having a good aptitude when it comes to sex, and you feel like you are just being your character being just assassin right in front of you. And so आपको फिर आगे जाके आपको ऐसा लगता है कि मैं कभी नहीं बोलूँगी, like I don't want to do that because I don't want to do that with my partner, my husband, जहाँ पे again he's like तुझे, I mean कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, you know, like you'll start getting questions. I mean, if it is your husband, he would be like, हाँ शादी के पहले कुछ तो तुमने किया है, कौन है, क्या है, and there is this impacts your relationship in general, that your partners may or may not start developing trust issues with you, और बहुत मतलब it just gets complicated. So that is also another reason जहाँ पे औरतें फिर सोचती है कि it is just better to keep quiet and not talk about it or not be vocal than go through this, you know, walk of shame and sit with this guilt. You're going to hear things like नाक कटवा दी तूने, खानदान का नाम बर्बाद कर दिया, and all of it. So there are a lot of heavy allegations and blames जो औरतों पे ऐसे रखी जाती है, फेंकी जाती है in something specially like this. So that is another reason जहाँ women reach at a point where they are like, जाओ हमें communicate ही नहीं करना है, like I'm not going to do anything, I'm not going to say anything. Last is again fear of judgment. You feel like, you know, if you'll talk about it, and this is not just with your partner but normally, because like I said कि आपका social conditioning ही इस हिसाब से है कि a female talking about the fact that she likes sex, or she, you know, this is what she desires, or these are her fantasies, or this is her experience, or whatever it is, anything that a female talks which is related to sex, she is judged. Like I said, not always, you know, your partner or your husband, or it could be your friends, and that could be female friends or male friends. So you always have that fear of being judged, because even that is something like somebody talking about it, and you might have friends and we're like, ये क्या बोल रही हो, अरे नहीं ये सब नहीं होता, ये तो पाप है, ये है वो है. So एक वो चीज़ हो जाती है. People not just judged in a negative way, but it can also give a wrong impression, because just because आप इतने aware हो, somebody might feel that you are very promiscuous. Somebody might, you know, like वो होता है ना, characterless लड़की है, कितनी perverted है. So ऐसे आपके लिए फिर adjectives use होते हैं. Like I said, हुआ होगा या आपने देखा होगा किसी के साथ हुआ होगा. So आपका again फिर वो आपका like you are conditioned in such a way where you will not even communicate it, not even to your partners, but not even to your friends. So yeah, these are, like I said, a couple of reasons why females usually don't talk about their sexual desires. They're not very vocal, they do not communicate, and that has, and until and unless things don't change, that will continue to be one of the reasons where a lot of times relationships suffer. But we also have to understand कि इंडिया में in general sex as a subject is a taboo, you know, and especially women wanting to have sex or women having these desires is like out of syllabus वाला question, वो तो हो ही नहीं सकता. And in general it just gets, it's just how it is, it bottles down overall culturally हमारी country में. So that also kind of adds on to it, and that also becomes that much more difficult for a female to be very open, very vocal, and to talk about it. Like I said, females don't openly talk about their own libidos, their own sexual needs, or they would not even want to admit it to themselves. A lot of women struggle with that as well. वो खुद को ही admit नहीं करना चाहती कि this is what she's feeling, this is what she's not, because कभी कभार खुद को भी admit करने में उनको ऐसा लगता है shit यार, I mean you start judging yourself, you start character assassinating yourself as well. So there are any which ways a lot of stigmas and taboos already attached to it. And so even though you are with a partner, it's a lifelong relationship, I mean it's a long-term relationship, or even if you know a husband which is a lifelong pairing, even in scenarios like that, औरतों के लिए फिर भी मुश्किल होता है बोलना, because उनको लगता है कि अगर मैंने बोला सामने वाला मुझे समझेगा नहीं, सामने वाला would not be open to understanding कि मैं क्या बोलने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. One might take it to their ego, one might not like it, one might think I am characterless, one might start questioning my life before I met this person or before I married him, and would start having a lot of questions about me and my past, and so it just gets very complicated. And so, like I said, औरतें communicate नहीं करती है. Men, on the other hand, can definitely try. They can definitely provide a safe space औरतों को जहाँ पे वो judged feel ना कर रही, या तो फिर उनको शर्मिंदा feel ना किया जाए for something that they are openly, you know, like they are struggling and trying to be open to. If they are given that open space जहाँ पे, like I said, not being judged not just by your words but also by your non-verbal communication, like your eyes, your face, your actions, like, and if you provide that space, your partner might slowly start opening up about it and start talking about it. But overall, just remember, it's not always a you thing कि आप में कोई इशू है या आपके रिलेशनशिप में कोई इशू है जिसकी वजह से आपके पार्टनर को आपके साथ खुल के ये बात करने में शर्म आ रही है. इट इज़ जस्ट हाउ it's a social conditioning. And so please keep that in mind next time you have this question. But yeah, I hope I was able to आपकी जो भी curiosity है उसको मैं solve कर पाई. I hope I was able to do that. I will see you guys in another episode, and I'm sorry for the lighting, I'm sorry for the setup. Like I said, it was supposed to be a reel, but I realized I had a lot to talk about and I wanted to break it down point by point. So we are making do with what we have. But I'll see you in another episode. Until then, like, share, subscribe. Bye-bye.